Hi, this is Yusuf from TeamPicola.com. Last video tutorial we started learning on loops. When we look at the example of the while loop and the do while loop. In this video tutorial we are going to look at the for loop and the for each loop. The for loop is used when you know in advance how many times the script should run. For example, let's look at the structure of the for loop. Let's get rid of this. First of all, you start with the keyword for, okay? Then you specify the unit counter, then the semicolon, okay? Then the test counter, okay? Then we have the increment counter, okay? Then the larger block, that's the code to be executed, okay? What basically means is this parameter, let's try to look at some basic example of the for loop. You understand it much more easier, okay? Let's try to say we want to print the number from 1 to, let's say from 1000 to 9000, for instance. We want to print the number, okay? Let's try to create a loop for it, okay? For, let's say x is equals to, let's say 1000, okay? Then the condition, let's say x is less than or equals to 9000, okay? Then we have the increment, x increment, okay? Then let's start to run it. Let's say echo x, okay? Then within the concatenate, don't forget to put your dot, a comma, okay? Let's start to save it. Let's start to see how this works. See, it went from 1000 to 9000, from 1000 to 9000. See, in a simple script, see, we are able to print just in a five lines of code. We are able to print from 1000 to 9000. See, it's like, let's start to look at some. Let's create an algorithm that it will test the number. For instance, when you write from, it will test the number if it's an even number or an odd number, for instance, something simple like this, okay? Let's get rid of this. Let's give by the value of x to be 1. Let's say we want to display it from 1 to 40, for instance, okay? Let's use the if statement, the conditional statement. Let's say if x modulo 2 is equals to 1. What basically means modulo, when you say modulo, when you say like 3 modulo 2, that's when you divide 3 by 2, the remainder, that's modulo, okay? That's 3 modulo 2, the answer is 1, okay? When x modulo 2 is equals to 1, we want this code to be executed, okay? Let's say x is an odd number, okay? Let's break it. Else let's echo x is an even number. Let's break it. Let's go back to our browser and refresh. You see, 1 is odd number, 2 is even number, 3 is odd number, up to the last 40 is even number. Lastly, we are going to look at the for each loop. The for each loop works only on arrays and is used to look through each key or value pair in an array. We'll be learning more on array in our next tutorial series. If you find this tutorial useful enough, in condition with friends, sorry, to meet again in a tutorial. Thank you all for watching.